So we have to give personal information if we go on being closer. Chita bok chat lo pulo de monitum chipachini therapy ason son lam jatan lo pulo de. They give personal information to each other. First the phone number, then where do you live, all this. Then they will ask this question. Lapang arju thulepo. What do you do? Ante nang liko pilo ke claim. Okay, so what do you do? Pulote nang le piasa lo ke claim. Kereng je pan nang liko pilo ke claim ante non ke. Okay, so what do you do? So this is the title of the lesson today. Lesson 1 for personal unit 2 personal information. What do you do? Okay, what do you do? What do you do? So what do you do? So separately, if we say each word, when we write, it will be what do you do? But when we speak, what do you do? What do you do? Okay. So let's listen to the model dialogue. First, let's go to the model dialogue. We'll start with the model dialogue. Kachinki A, B, A pen B, labahay bang puma bang piatum. Okay, so speaker A asks this question in bang Arjuna, A bang, what do you do? Then B replies, B bang Tagdala, I'm a teacher. How about you? Again here, you can ask, how about you? If you want to ask the same question back, putot nangli mata kardutula san thot nangli arjuji pulo de nangli what do you do putananglo tangle. How about you? How about you means you're asking back the same question. Abang pula so abang pupan la san thot alang kupi manang karju la san thot se karju topan se how about you? What do you do? I'm a teacher. How about you? I work as an engineer. Okay? So two people, one is a teacher, the other is an engineer. They met, they introduced one another, then they tell each other about what they do or their work or occupation or profession. Okay, so first listen. Okay, what do you do? I'm a teacher. How about you? I work as an engineer. Okay, listen. What do you do? I'm a teacher. How about you? I work as an engineer. Engineer. Okay. Okay, so here, remember, when we ask someone, okay, this is the best way to ask the what do you do? Pundilake man honman pensa, no? Kare. Man honman pensinang le. Man peng pensi. Alang di pan karjulo. What do you do? Pulote. Labangke, what is your job po bangke pan oe? So what is your job po bangke lasi? Jasin muni tum arjuje. So what is your job? Okay. So this is a little offensive. Mani aning oy lang tum la tek pini pia table is that what is job ke pan? It's not so polite, considered polite. Okay. See, what do you do is the best one. So when you ask the other person's occupation, pinike claim then you have to ask this question. What do you do? Okay, what do you do? So listen and repeat. Okay, just listen and repeat. What do you do? Okay, what do you do? Say after me, listener. What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do? Ili say asit helogedi. Can we hear? Okay. What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Okay. So daw pwede sinili mo nangli first ke chenge mo ni tung ke chenge I am buku I am a teacher. Choglo it's all right. That's also okay. But when we speak, just met kining long spoken English long, okay? I am pagano din nang nalo ilitum papa. This is lapange contracted form lo. Akitia form lo. I pen am, they are combined and contracted. We use the apostrophe. So the apostrophe polo. La bipo la e bangke. Pavi that po. Nung pon pidat po. Um. I'm a teacher. Okay. So I'm a teacher. So A is a consonant sound. I'm a teacher. I'm a consonant with a consonant sound. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Consonant sound बोलते la A E I O U la ase plipen kapre ka se kali pulote A E I O U ase kali pulote letum popo. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. If it is a consonant, non T bang a consonant. Okay, you still remember this? We have 5 vowels. Okay. Okay, we have 5 vowels. Which are these 5 vowels? La so as se la so na se atompan. A and amek bange A E I. Okay. Then O U. La amek po pange English amek apange vowels. Di. Lapane vowels pula. So ar kil haya son a I U por ki kido an teman ke vowel sounds pula. Vowel sound. Sita lapen akaprek teman bangke consonants pula. C-O-N like non B. B is also a consonant. C, D. Okay, lai doan bangke A-E-I-O-U kalilo pula de lai bangke consonants pula. Se consonants aprang pula de nangli pusin nangli la bang si anang po I'm a teacher panang po. Okay, I'm a teacher. So with a consonant sound, teacher, okay, t are keeping up. See consonant kali A-E-I-O-U se kali apotsi nangli you got to use a. I'm a teacher. Okay, I'm a yeah. I'm a teacher. I'm
a teacher.
yes. I'm a doctor.
I'm a
I'm a
doctor.
doctor. So here you have to stress. We have 2 syllables here. Hini arkido la solam thelong. We have 2 syllables. Isi bangke ti lapen isi bangke ch. Teacher. So when we pronounce this word la solam theningjeji poloteletum la aprang ti po pangsi pangtu inang po. Stress nang po. Stress polote arki kipat he lapen kapangtui. Okay? Teacher. Not teacher. Ya kyong dung atum ge letum teacher po char phanse bisar ki pathe the la stress lake wrong pronunciation. So the right pronunciation of this word is teacher. T bang sin ge pa ding nang po pathe nang po teacher. Hula che po bang ber nang hi nang po teacher. Okay. Similarly with this also, I'm a dog. Dog po bang sin nang li. You have to stress. We have 2 syllables here. Hinia syllables though is ibangke dog. Polo. Is ibangke dog. Is ibangke t. Doctor. Okay? Doctor. But many people may say doctor. Tor bang si. Ase patimunak na po. Kini polo sita. Tor bang le ase patinikali. We don't have to stress the syllable tor, t, tor, but we have to stress the syllable doc, doctor, okay, doctor, D-O-C, labang lagi. So I'm a teacher, I'm a doctor, okay, I'm a chef, chef. You know the meaning of chef, Christina? Chinig mas chef,
Yes, sir.
chef di,
Yes, sir.
pili la restaurant long kitun kedang kita typo chef. Okay? I'm a journalist. Journalist. फिर अंके चीनी लोग कहते journalist के là
Mm.
Birta Kitok Ban Kilo Patan Pachini Bang journalist. Okay. And let's see A ke consonant from dang litum A teacher ang kolo A doctor the D consonant pinapotsi A chef tala A journalist jaw arki. So this is not a consonant, this is not a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. So we need to use a before a word beginning with a consonant. So teacher begins with a consonant sound, doctor begins with a the sound, chef begins with a sh sound, journalists begin with a j sound. And that's why we have used here okay. I'm a doctor, I'm a chef, I'm a journalist. Okay. But we can't use a when the word begins with a vowel sound. Sita chúng si alam the bang vowel a e i o u la so keeping the cheng lo pulote nang la so prang prang ke e ke anu nelo. You can't use a. Okay, you have to say an. I'm an accountant. I'm an engineer. Let's say like an engineer long an pulo an engineer e arkiban an engineer. Okay, an architect, an architect, an office manager, an office manager. So remember this, the use of dakinang grammar actually pondalo. Kosan si a kanima, kosan si an kanima. Okay, so why we use sometimes and why sometimes a and an, the meaning is same. It means one. Inut our accountant, inut our engineer, inut architect, inut office manager, inut a doctor, inut a chef, inut a journalist. So it means inut one. But if the word begins with a consonant, we use a. And if it begins with a vowel sound, we use an. Okay, an accountant, an orange, an apple. Sita, a doctor, a chef, a book, a pen. Okay, so here, I'm a teacher.
I'm a
I'm
teacher.
I'm a chef.
I am a chef.
I'm a doctor.
I am a doctor.
Doctor. I'm an engineer.
I am an engineer.
Near. Okay. I'm an office manager.
I am an office manager.
I'm an office manager.
I'm an office manager.
Okay, good. Then we'll repeat this. Listen and repeat this. Okay, listen and repeat. How about you? We have learned this before. How about you?
How about you?
Okay. Again. I work as an engineer.
I work as an engineer.
Or you can sometimes say, you can say this word asai chathan me Sony in two ways. Sony pen Sony system terminally. I work in Lamjir. I work as an engineer. Okay, I work as an engineer. Nagala model dialogue sila seta nangli lasanda ningjeme. I'm an engineer. The meaning is same. I'm an engineer. But nesai ki claim nige engineer asai si claim. But I'm a teacher. But the nege teacher asai si claim. Pupansi putamla. So you can see in this, I work as a teacher means the same as I'm an engineer. Isi verlo. Sita nang likolo bang ninghang labang Okay. There are two ways of saying the same thing. The meaning is same. I work as an engineer, put a job. You can say this way, or you can be more brief. But here, I'm an engineer. Okay, engineer. Similarly, you can say, okay, I work as an engineer. Okay, or you can say, I work as a teacher. Okay, so I'm telling you the meaning here. I work as an engineer. is same as I'm an engineer. Okay? I'm a teacher. That means I work as a teacher. So yeah, let's practice this sentence. I work, abang le practicing now. I work as an engineer. Say after me.
I work as an engineer.
I work as a teacher.
I work as a teacher.
I work as a chef.
I work as a
Chef.
chef. I work as a chef.
I work as an architect.
I work as an architect.
Architect. Okay. I work as an office manager.
I work as an office manager.
Office manager. Okay. Good. So here, when we say this line, labang so alam I work as an engineer. The stress we have 3 syllables here. Ketomdo. I'll show you. In G Penya. So we have 3 syllables here. Like a tamang bong pen. Kolabang lo. Stress ni ilitum. Which one should we stress? It is near. Okay, near po bang ki patinang pading nang po. Engineer. Okay. I work as an engineer. I work as an engineer. Near bang sinitum patinang po ki. So I work as an engineer. Okay. Near. I work as a teacher. Okay. Again, we have done this. Listen and repeat. Okay. So let's do again once more. Look at the model dialogue. Okay. You just listen. What do you do? I'm a teacher. How about you? I work as an engineer. Okay. Engineer. Okay. So now let's practice. You speak the words spoken by B. I'll speak the words spoken by A. Okay. What do you do?
I work.
Okay. Number B.
B.
Yes. I
am a teacher. How about you?
I work as an engineer. Okay, now you say the word spoken by A.
What you do?
What
do you do?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I work as an engineer.
Engineer. I work as an engineer. Work as an. Okay. So what can we do here? Like a Tom. You can combine work as an. La work as in la. Okay. I work as an engineer. Okay. So these 3 words can be I work as an engineer. So this is how you say I work as an I work as an engineer. Okay. I work as an if you say separately, then well prompt. So why work as an okay work as an can be these 3 words can be combined into one. He could like a tomben is see labangke spoken on the connected speech okay. I work as an engineer. I work as an engineer. Okay.
Work as an engineer.
Work as an engineer. Work as an engineer. Work as an engineer. Okay. I work as an engineer. Okay.
I work as an engineer.
Yes. Okay. Let's do speaking drill. Okay. Oh, this one is not done. I have to check here. There's some mistake here. We have done this yesterday.
Yes, sir.
We have done this.
Venus.
We've done this. So this also we have done. I have to check this other one. Three. We'll do all together here, 2 and 3 together. Okay, we'll practice this. Have you seen the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Okay,
yes, I can see.
okay. So we'll practice this. A, B, okay, B, okay. So you have to say the words spoken by B. I'll say the words spoken by A. We are combining all the two units together, okay?
Yes.
What do you do?
I am a teacher. How about you?
I'm an engineer. Where do you live?
I live in London. How about you?
I live near Brighton. What's your phone number?
My phone number 0104 288 5679. What your number?
What's your number? Okay. It's 01098067732. See? So what's your phone number? What's my phone numbers? Okay. You say number is. You don't have to say is. You say numbers. Okay. My phone numbers 01042885679. What's S is needed there. What's your number? It's mean it is, but we don't say number is or what is. We say in spoken English numbers. It means number is, or what's. We don't say what is. It's all right as children we can say what is, but for adult, for grown up, we need to say what's. Okay, it will help us. Cái nên đi bằng pram chat po, nên đi mình một chat po là say what's your number? Okay. So let's gap fill a dark topic now. Okay. What do you do?
I am a teacher. How about you?
I'm an engineer. Where do you live?
I live in London. How about you?
I live in London. How about you? Okay. I live near Brighton. What's your phone number?
My phone number 01042885679. What your
My
number?
it's 01098067732. Okay. So you say again this one. My numbers. Don't forget the S, Christina. Okay. Okay. I
My
live near.
number.
Yeah. Numbers. S. You have to say S.
Number. Oh,
Numbers.
OS.
S
Right.
is near, okay? Because you're saying my
Okay.
number
My
is.
number.
Mm. So I live near
My
Brighton.
number.
Numbers. Numbers.
Mm,
My numbers.
mm,
You have to pronounce the Z sound, S. My numbers, okay? My numbers,
mm.
okay? Okay, you try once more. I live near Brighton. What's your number? What's your phone number?
My phone number's
Mm.
01042885679. What's your number?
Yes, it's 01098067732. Okay, good. So now, okay, we have done this. We'll practice now. You say the words spoken by A. I'll say the words spoken by B. Okay, you say that the first one. The blue one, okay, speaker A. Say the words spoken by A. I'll say the words spoken by B. Start.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Say the first one. What?
Huh. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I am an engineer. Where do you live?
Mm. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. Where do you live? I live in London. How about you?
I live near Brighton. What your phone number?
What's your phone number? Okay. Your. My phone number's 01042885679. What's your number?
It's 01098067732.
Okay. Okay. Now, some words are missing. You gap fill this again. Nó bài cho làm thế bảo việc đó lo. Nang lên nang thuyền nó.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I am as
As
I am as an engineer.
I work.
What do you
I work po bang pada bang ke as po bang ke.
do? I work as engineer. Where do you live?
I live in London. How about you?
I live near Brighton. What your phone number?
What's your phone number? My phone number's 01042885679. What's your number?
It's 01098067732.
Okay, good. Again now, more words missing. Answer says I make pop right down. Nangli, boring no. Okay, try again.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I work as engineer.
Engineer.
Engi-
Mm,
I work as an engineer. Where do you live?
okay, good. I live in London. How about you?
I live near Brighton. What's your number?
My phone number's 01042885679. What's your number?
It's 01098067732.
Okay, good. So we have completed this and only a little time left. So we'll do another conversation tomorrow. Okay. This is the model
Yes.
dialogue, which we'll do like, how old are you? That after telling about their work, I mean, sai chik la san san sik lam pu thande da phi bangke, majer so asing mo chat po mande chan thu po artalam. Okay. Artalam jithani po. So this is the one. Okay. A little time is left. We can continue. 5 minutes. Okay. How old are you? Okay. This is the model dialogue. Okay. Artalam chan lo. How old are you? Okay. How old are you? How old are you? So what do we do here? We try to connect this. Okay. Sorry. How old are you? How old are you? Okay. So how? Yes. How old are you?
How old are you?
Mm. I'm 32 years old.
I
How?
am 32 years old.
Just wait. Okay. Wait.
How old are you?
Mm. Mm. I'm 32 years old. How old are you?
I
I just turned 28. Okay. Some problem here. Mm. So I just turned 28. So this is how they say, how old are you? Nang larta kon lo. I'm 32 years old. They thomga rahini lo, they are talking, I'm 32 years old. How old are you? Năng li ke da bang how about you puten? How old are you? Are you two boy fuck me lo? How old are you? Ye bang thak lo. I just turned 28. I just turned 28. What does it mean here? Adi dim kipelang non has say only say hat lang. Ma cho chiklo. Adi dim kipelang ne arta inkora ner keb leat lo. Inkora ner keb leat lo. So I just turned 28 pulate 28 kachaman adi dim kipela. So that is the meaning here. I just turned 28. Trong si nang le chiklo yan yan thom phi nang le arta ke 25 chamane lo pate I just turned 25 po. That mane bang 18 a birthday 18 a birthday bang ching lo pate I just turned 18 po. Okay, that's the meaning of this. I just turned polote 28 arta ingo rap net cap ka chaman arjiding pik pela. And helang machiklo Johnny prang prang si chaman lang pute. I just turned 28 po. Okay, have you understood this, Christina? I just
Yes,
turned
sir.
28. That's the meaning of this. Okay. So komani arta jithang sita hola birthday katalon bang aji ding pipilang polote. I just turned 28. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So listen. How old are you? I'm
I,
32. Yes. First listen all together. Okay. I'm
mm,
32 years old. How old are you? I just turned 28. Okay. So you say all
mm.
this together. Nang like a thumb tab like A, B, A, pui thang. The model dialogue.
How,
Mm.
how old are you? I am 32 years old. How old are you? I just turned 28.
I just turned 28. Okay. How old are you?
Mm,
How old are you? I'm 32 years old. How old are you? I just turned 28. Okay. So
mm.
here, what you can do, older. La bang pachara bing chang older you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Bolate nung di bang manchik so ka check nap chak nap doi kong. That's it. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 32
How old
years
are
old. Hmm?
you?
I'm 32 years old. Tabang cholo 32 years old. How old are you? How old are you? How older? Okay, how older? That's it. Old like hini older. Old are but them older. But them older. How
Mm.
old are you? Hmm? How old are you? How older? How old are you?
How old?
Hmm. How
How
old are
old?
you? How old are you? See, how old are you? Put that on there. How old are you? Okay. How old are you? How old are you?
How old are you?
How
Are
old?
you?
How old are you? Older, older. Put that on. How
Older.
old are you?
Older.
How old are you?
How old? How old are you?
I just turned 28. I just turned 28. Like a kapre kapre nang kopo. I
Mm.
just turned 28. Like a pachara
Mm.
bunelo. I just turned 28.
I just turned 20.
So we'll do this tomorrow. Por bang 7
Yes, sir.
por. So thank you so much.
Uh,
We'll continue tomorrow.
welcome, sir.
Thank you.